Why is it so difficult to deal with difficult clients? How difficult are they? And how much is it part of our way to respond to stress? Customer service excellence is lots to do with our mindset, how we perceive things that are out of the box. When we get the same questions every time, we master them. If we are asked, how much does this cost? How long will it take you to deliver the product to my home? And questions that come up frequently, and then we respond well. Because it's automatized. We've got it already in our head and ready to deliver. We've got the right answer to the right question. What happens, however, when questions are asked that you're not prepared for? Some unexpected question, and you don't know exactly where it fits in. Is it to do with this, or this? We compartmentalize information, like into boxes in our brain. That's how our brain functions. What do we do then when something unexpected happens, when we don't have that pigeonhole to take that card out? So that's what we really need to be focusing on, is how to make that change from not knowing what to do to just perfectly knowing how to answer. That seems like quite a lot, and we will be seeing this throughout the course as we go into a step-by-step process where you will see how to activate that more creative, that more solution-focused mind and get more natural, more comfortable with the unexpected. Customer service excellence has to do with that going beyond the known, going beyond that standard response, and instead going that extra mile. We need to get used to being able to act right away without the overwhelm. Very often, when we are under pressure, maybe it's a client who's not very satisfied or a customer who's not very satisfied, and they're right in front of others, and you feel very uncomfortable because you know that actually doesn't really look good for your business. It can be in a storefront, but it can also be behind the scenes, because now with social media, people find out right away what's going on. So you really need to maintain a consistent response and respond properly, well. And if you manage within those conflicting moments to give and deliver that great service or replace a product very well, making it the least hassle possible for the customer, then that's when you will see also more people coming in through the door, be it the physical door or your website or whatever other means you've got to communicate with your customers. I look forward to guiding you with a step-by-step process where you will also get some exercises, reflections, and some worksheets to work on each and every step.